Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how we can keep our computer updated on Windows. Very simple. We come here to the window button and right click and we just go to settings. We click settings and update and security. We have a bunch of updates here. Windows is already downloading them, and when it's done we're going to restart the computer most of the time to keep the updated files to take action to our Windows. Once all the updates are downloaded, they will be installed, and most of the time we're going to have to restart the computer. Right here we get a button that says install now. We click there, install now, and then we just wait for the installation to take place. It takes a few minutes or seconds. It depends on the size of the updates and the speed of the computer. In this case, we're done already, and it says restart now. Okay, not now. You can do whatever is more convenient for you. In my case, I will stop the video and then I will click restart now. That's all you need to keep your computer updated. It's all for today.